Welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, Italian tax accountant, and in this video we are going to discuss if it is convenient in Italy to set up a company. But before starting the video, I will invite you to subscribe to the channel, and in case you need further assistance, you can have a free 15-minute call with us, and you can click in the description link. So, why I am discussing today, actually I am traveling for work, so as you see I am not in the usual place where I do the videos, but I really wanted to do this video because a lot of you guys already live in Italy and maybe you have your own business, so you are at the point to consider if it is convenient in Italy to open a company or if it is convenient to leave Italy. Please be aware that what we suggest in our consultancy call is always to try the eligibility test for the impatriate regime. What is the impatriate regime? We already discussed it 1000 times on YouTube. The impatriate regimes allow you to reduce your imposable tax when you send your tax return up to 90% if you move into south of Italy. This apply if you are employee or if you are entrepreneur, meaning if you get the VAT number. But some people, when they move to Italy, and we had actually two cases with two different clients, they started with the forfettario. What happened next? When you pass 85,000, unfortunately, many accountants, they don't tell you anything, and you automatically will move to the worst Italian tax regime, the ordinary tax regime. Actually, the name ordinary can be interpreted as good tax regime, but actually it's the worst one, because your taxation will get to up to 60%. You know why Italians complain about taxes? But it is not only for the taxes. Why Italians always complain about taxes? Do you know why? Yes, for the taxes, but for the social contribution as well. In fact, in the ordinary regime, between taxes and social contribution, you will end up at 60%. Pay attention, because you may have already considered to set up a company in Italy, an SRL, a limited responsibility company. But be aware. You cannot open a company by yourself. Let's say you started an online business, and let's say you want to open a company. You want to open a company because you're making, let's say, 100K per year. Is it correct to affirm that you can open an SRL to reduce the taxes? Yes and no. Of course, you can deduct more costs, but as well, you have to pay the social contribution even if you are the only shareholder working in the company. And this is the worst thing in Italy. So I really feel ashamed sometimes to be an Italian and to see all those things against the entrepreneur. So what you can do? It is not possible for me here to explain in 1 minute, but I would suggest to consider to relocate. You had the courage to move to Italy, but you can consider, for instance, to relocate to Portugal, even to Belgium, or you can consider to open a company, but give the shares of the company to another person. Because we have in Italy this problem of double taxation. The IMPS, even if you are the only worker in a SRL. And actually, this regime, okay, the thing is, today I'm referring to people who already live in Italy. Because, as you may know, if you move to Italy, you apply directly for the impatriate regime if you can. You don't even consider the SRL, you know what I mean? So please be aware when you open an SRL in Italy. Be aware and consider what are you exactly doing, and consider your business. So before closing this video, if you liked our content, I will invite you again to subscribe to the channel, and in case you need further assistance, you can contact us via email, or you can have a free 15-minute consultation call. Check the link in the description. Until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your staying in Italy.